afternoon, everyone. Okay, my name is Mr. Zhao, and I'm your physics teacher at distance education this year. Okay, I'm making an introduction video about Year 11 Physics. Okay, so if you have a look, I read my name on there already. My name is Mr. Zhao. It okay, it's a Chinese name. Okay, how to say it is the ZH make a Z sound. Okay, so we have a AO, so it's Zhao. Okay, so Mr. Zhao. Now, before we start, you should all have your notes from distance education. Okay, so here for those are new to distance education, okay, you can access your notes on internet. Okay, so if you access it on internet, it should look like this. You should have your weekly notes. Okay, so let's start week 1. Okay, so what's happened is, okay, just remember your week 1. If I open it, have a look. Okay, so your week 1 assignment is due on the 7th February. Okay, that's your due date. Okay, which is your due date for your first weekly assignment. Okay, so before we start with any physics, I need you to have an A4 notebook. Okay, because physics is a difficult subject. I expect you guys to writing down some notes while watching my videos every week. Okay, now, okay, so let's go to week 1 notes. Okay, week 1 is about experimental method. Okay. Yeah, what's happened is it's about well, it's basically a background information. Okay, so if you have a look, it's about mathematical skills you learned in year 10. So most of you should be able to do all this. Okay. The only thing important is I need you to, if you have your notes, I need you guys to write this table. Basically, I need you guys to copy this table in your notes here. Okay, this is quite important because in physics, okay, we're always going to talking about units such as such as kilograms, which is it's 1,000 gram. Okay, so if we go up to megagrams, so it must be a million grams. So if we go to milligrams, it should be 0.001 grams. That's how we use those symbols and basically how do we use those symbols, okay, in our mathematics. So make sure step 1, copy down this table in your notebook. Okay, then in week 1 you need to get familiar with scientific notation and significant figures. Okay, I start with scientific notation. I give you an example. If you can read your notes to here, so if I have say 9,800, okay, if I write down it in scientific form, it's going to be 9.8 times 10 power of 3. Okay, so this is the scientific notation. If we go up, okay, so just getting familiar with using scientific notation in physics, okay, because in physics, if you're dealing with very large numbers, it's just easier to write down it this way. Okay. Also, in your email I sent to you, I attached a link, YouTube links, teaching you how to do scientific notation. So actually, I'll show you the links. Okay, I found those 5 videos, okay, from YouTube. It's talking about scientific notations. Some of you may learn about this in year 10 or year 9. If you know it, don't worry about it. If you haven't came across it, please have a look at the videos. The videos there are 5 videos. They altogether they are about 45 minutes. So just have a read, just have a watch those videos and getting familiar with scientific notation. Similarly, you need to get familiar with this significant figures. Okay. This is really important, and I think most of you haven't, haven't do that in previously in year 9 or year 10. So what I did again is I got a set of video from YouTube. Okay. Okay, which talks about sorry, the scientific notation. I need significant figures. Yes. Okay. They talk about significant figures. Okay. Again, there are 10 videos. Okay. Say approximately 7 minutes, well, 5 minutes videos each. There are 7. It takes you half hour to watch. Okay, so just watch those videos. Okay, if you have if you still need something, if you still need help, you can call me, you can email me. Okay, I can create an email. I can create my own video to show you, to explain it in detail if you have anything uncertain about significant figures. Okay. Yes, during this year, I'm going to give you a lot of YouTube video to watch, and well, just watch them. So when you, well, for example, when you can't sleep, when you have trouble sleeping, watch few videos. I'm sure you're going to sleep like a baby. So okay, so that's this week. Also, okay, don't worry about how to write in a practical report yet, because we're not doing practical report yet. Okay. When we do that, when we're doing a experiment, I will explain to you later. So if you go down to your notes, okay, here, page 1.7, okay, page 1.7, here are the work you have to submit this week. Okay. The work are quite, well, they're quite, what I can say is they're quite similar. It's basically a revision of your previous knowledge. Okay, so the idea is we have 6 egg timers. Question 1: what is the mean measured by egg timer number 5? So you write down the mean. Okay, and what's the uncertainty? So just write down the uncertainty and write it down. I do just to be well, just to make it clear, I do a question for you. Okay, so if you look at question 1. Yep. we have a table. There are 6 egg timers. Okay, so okay, what is the mean measured by egg timer number 5? So if you look at egg timer number 5, the mean will be here. It's approximated. Use your ruler, get a ruler, measure it. It's approximately 801, 2, 3, 4. I think will be, yeah, will be 3. Okay, the mean will be. Okay. By the way, okay, the mean will be 183. Okay, always remember the unit in second. Okay, also what number 2. Okay. Also, okay, let's just read this. Okay, egg timer timer 5. Okay. The mean is 183 seconds. Okay. This alphabet, this symbol here, is called mu. It's a Greek letter. I think it's Greek. Okay. It means mean. Okay. Mean is your average. Okay. Basically, the average, if you write down mean, mu equals to this, average is 183 seconds. Okay. And with uncertainty, you say this length here, this means uncertainty if you measure it. Okay. If you use your ruler to do a correct measurement, my measurement is not correct, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 100. Sorry. Okay. Well, I can't mark this, but if you have a look, this distance, the distance from here to here is about 5, or well, you measure it with a ruler. Okay, it's hard to do it on computer right now. So it's approximately, I say approximately 4. So it's 4 seconds. Okay, so that's question 1. So the questions are quite simple. It's basically your year 10 questions. So just have a look. If you have any question, if you want to ask me something, again, just email me or just give me a call. You should all have my phone numbers. Okay, I gave you my phone number again, which is my phone number 8480 okay, 0109. Okay. Remember, okay, try to organize your own notes. Okay, don't just copy down what I write down. Make it into sense. Sorry. Okay, so that's 8 for this week. Okay, I'm looking forward to mark your work. So see ya.